Hi students, let us learn the key points. The first one is Euclid division lemma. So what does Euclid division lemma says? Suppose if you consider two numbers, if a comma b belongs to z plus positive integers, there exists q comma r such that a is equal to b cube plus r, where r will be greater than or equals to 0 and less than b. సో ఏబీలు ధనపూర్ణాంకాలు ఏ ఈక్వల్ టు బీక్యూ ప్లస్ ఆర్ అయ్యేటట్లు క్యూఆర్లు వ్యవస్థితం అవుతాయి. ఇక్కడ ఆర్ శేషం అనేది 0 అయినా అవ్వచ్చు, బి కంటే తక్కువైనా అవ్వచ్చు. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ assume that b equal to 2, then the number a can be written as some 2q plus r. Here r, since the divisor is 2, the remainder r can be either 0 or it can be less than 2. It means that r will take the values 0 and 1. So if you consider any number, definitely that number will be either in the format of 2q plus 0, that means 2q, or it can be 2q plus 1 since the remainder is 1. If you consider any two numbers, then the two numbers can be in the form either 2q or 2q plus 1. Similarly, if the divisor b is equal to 3, if you can take, then the remainder can be either 0, 1 or 2. In that case, any three numbers which we can write it as a is equal to 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. This is all about యూక్లిడ్ డివిజన్ లెమ్మా. యూక్లిడ్ బాగా అర్థం. అలాగే మనం నేర్చుకున్న ఇంకొక భావన ఏంటంటే ప్రాథమిక అంకగణిత సిద్ధాంతం, ఫండమెంటల్ థీరం ఆఫ్ అర్థమెటిక్. ఫండమెంటల్ థీరం ఆఫ్ arithmetic. What does fundamental theorem of arithmetic says? If any composite number, if you can take, every composite number can possible to express as a product of primes in unique way. If you consider any composite number, no doubt at all, it can be possible to express as a product of primes. If you consider an example, suppose I'm going to consider 18. 18 is a composite number, which I can able to write it as 2 into 9. 9 further can be written as 3 into 3. So which we can write it as 2 power 1 into 3 square. This is how we can. So every composite number can possible. అంటే ఎటువంటి సంయుక్త సంఖ్యనైనా సరే ప్రధాన కారణాంకాల లబ్ధం కింద రాయవచ్చు. So let us assume the general form of writing any number will be, suppose if I consider n, this can be written as 2 power a into 3 power b into 5 power c into 7 power d and so on. This is how we can express any number as a product of prime. So by making use of this idea, which we can able to find LCM and HCF. Suppose there are two numbers a and b, which both the numbers are expressed in the format of product of primes. Suppose if you want to calculate LCM of some a comma b, how do you get? Means here regarding the primes, the highest powers. So highest powers prime products will be considered as the LCM for the given numbers. Whereas how to find the HCF of the same given two numbers means among the common primes, the least power product, common primes, least power product will be considered as the HCF of the given two numbers. So by making use of this fundamental theorem, which we can easily find LCM and HCF. Based on this, we have discussed so many problems. So try to recollect these points. Okay. Thank you.